Hi, I'm a jewelry designer. My name is Natalia, and I would like to share with you one little DIY, a trick on how to make a gorgeous silver kids necklace with no tools whatsoever. And your kid can help you with that. So this is the best part. You can make it together and you don't need any tools. So what I have here, I have beads with really big holes. So a small, very thin silver chain can go through the holes of these beads. The chain can be shortened. The shortest chain you can get is 16-inch, but it's too long for a kid. So to shorten a chain, all you need to do is to grab your little scissors and cut it anywhere you need. So you measure your kid's neck, you see where you would like, how you would like to hang it from the neck, and you just cut one of the links of the chain with regular little scissors. You can choose any silver pendant that you have. I made my own, but you can choose any pendant you wish, or no pendant, or pendant that's not silver, just cute kids pendant. Your kid can arrange the beads on the table in any order they wish. This is what my kid did. I gave her the beads and she arranged them on the table, and I put the chain through the beads depending on how old is the kid. Mine is 6 years old, so it's really hard to put the chain through the beads, so you can help with that. So the only tricky part is going to be, after you cut the chain, how are you going to lock it and the beads are not going to fall off the chain? Here comes the trick. You can purchase tiny silver split rings, or not even silver, any split ring that is really tiny. And that's why you don't need any tools. You can just put your split ring on the end of the chain, and this way the beads are not going to fall off, and you have a nice big ring to lock your necklace onto. That's it. Your necklace is done. Your kid is gonna love it like my daughter loves her necklace. What do you think? Are you gonna give it a go? Let me know in the comments.